The most likely price range for Solana in 2023 is between 48.92 and 81.96 soon. The price of Solana Sol could reach $30, which is a big problem. This Solana Sol cost estimate for 2023, 2024, and 2030 says that the only cost prediction for 2023 is 14.4 cents. We'll look at the value cases of Sol using exact broker-friendly technical analysis points and try to predict how digital money will change in the future in a non-intrusive way. Solana Sol is a digital currency coin that runs on its own flexible blockchain, which speeds up transactions. It was released in 2020 as an alternative to mainstream thinking by combining verification of history POE and verification of stake POE's agreement parts. Solana makes things more flexible and works on making some kind of decentralized apps. Taps, which in every way that counts is very big, and with its hybrid design, Solana can approve blocks quickly and generally give accurate timestamps, which is really important. Solana has also done a lot to upset the NFT business center in a big way. Most of the time, Solana-based NFTs are gaining traction and are becoming a more popular choice than Ethereum-based NFTs, which is a very big deal. Solana Sol price prediction for 2023, based on its market capitalization and the factors of its market capitalization, Solana Sol ranks 8th, which is a very important fact. The general idea of what the Solana price will be in 2023 is shown in the diagram above, which has a mostly daily time span and a really important way. Solana Sol got bigger most of the time. The rising shape is very important. The rising triangle is a classic example of a continuous bullish pattern. If the pattern breaks out at the resistance level, the price will continue to rise. Solana Sol's amount of opposition and support below is a diagram that shows the possible amounts of resistance and support for Solana Sol in 2023. Solana Sol's technical analysis points, such as Vol Moving Average and RSI, are shown in the diagram below, which is very important. From the diagram, we can see that Sol's price movement is similar to that of BTC and F, or so they thought. This is when the prices of BTC and F went up. Solana Sol price prediction for 2023 is 81.96 in a kind of important way, almost if troublesome opinion in a real sense is set off the negative. Solana Sol's average price prediction for 2023 is 14.4 cents, which shows that if the pattern breaks out at the resistance level, the price will keep going up in this rising triangle pattern in a very big way if the market energy and investors' opinions continue to improve. As opposed to what most people think, Solana Sol could really hit $30. Also, with future updates and changes in the Solana environment, Sol could outperform its current all-time high AFF of $260.06 and market a new app in a really big way. Which shows how Solana's mix model can accept blocks well and give accurate timestamps in a simple way, which is really what Solana is all about. In spite of what most people think, the most likely price for Solana Sol in 2023 is 81.96. Solana most certainly runs on a versatile blockchain that really runs with a kind of half-and-half agreement model that coordinates evidence of stake POEs and confirmation of history POE in an extremely large way. Sol truly was sent off in WAC 2022, or so they thought, or might you, at any point by Solana Sol in a huge way. Solana Sol generally has been recorded on genuinely numerous crypto trades, which generally incorporate Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Bitfinex, and AUX in every practical sense further appearance. How that is the point at which the cost of BTC and F increments or diminishes the cost of Sol likewise increments or diminishes separately, or so they all things considered thought 3 in a genuinely significant manner. Will Solana Sol, for the most part, come to another ADH soon with the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Solana stage? Sol in every practical sense has a by and large high chance of arriving at its ADH soon, so Solana Sol explicitly has been recorded on lovely numerous crypto trades which certainly incorporate Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Bitfinex, and AUX in every way that really matters. Further appearance. How is it that when the price of BTC and F goes up or down, the price of Sol goes up or down, too? What is the current all-time high AFF of Solana Sol? On November 6, 2021, Sol reached its new all-time high of $260.06, or so they thought. Sol definitely hit its record-breaking low ATL of 0.5052 on May 11, 2020. This shows that Sol in a real sense was sent off and walked away. This is a very important 6. Solana Sol really reached $30 in a really important way. If Solana Sol becomes one of the most dynamic digital currencies that keep a bullish pattern, it could mobilize to in a real sense hit 40 soon. ChatGPT makes predictions about the price of Bitcoin after the halving in 2024. Will the price of BTC20 also skyrocket? With less than 9 months until the next halving of Bitcoin, BTC, people are getting more and more excited about a possible rise to new all-time highs. When the 840,000th block is added to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is expected to happen on April 21, 2024, the reward rate for miners will drop from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. This will cut the rate of growth of the Bitcoin supply in half. About every 4 years. The rate at which new Bitcoins are made is cut in half. This is done to make sure that the number of Bitcoins never goes over its built-in limit of 21 million tokens. In the past, Bitcoin splitting events like the ones that will happen in 2016 and 2020 have happened right before big price increases. This is why excitement is starting to build up. Matrixport and the British multinational bank Standard Chartered recently said that, after the reduction, Bitcoin will be worth more than $100,000 next year. Morgan Creek Capital recently said that Bitcoin will be worth more than $300,000 by the time the split happens in 2028. So, we asked ChatGPT where it thought the price of Bitcoin might go after the split in 2024. Here's what the most popular robot with artificial intelligence said. How much will Bitcoin cost after the 2024 halving, according to ChatGPT? Given that the price of Bitcoin has gone up after the last 2 halvings, it's possible that this pattern will continue, ChatGPT says. After the last 2 halvings, in 2016 and 2020, Bitcoin reached its all-time highs about a year later. If this trend continues, it seems likely that the price of Bitcoin will go up a lot after the halving in 2024, possibly doubling or tripling what it was before the halving. This could put the price of Bitcoin between $60,000 and $90,000. But the chatbot warned that changes in regulations, new technologies, financial trends, and other things could also have a big effect on the price. ChatGPT thinks that Bitcoin will hit $60,000 to $90,000